Welcome back, bogies. Another episode of working on the Mk1. I'll say that's something else one day when we have something else in here. Yep, welcome back. I'm working after dinner today. Got a bit at home late, so what do we have for tea? Pork chops, baked beans, those little square potato things. Potatoes, but cut into squares, I guess. So yeah, I don't know if my microphone's working alright. I do apologise. I seem to have had an external microphone somewhere, but I've lost it now. If anyone sees it in the background of the shots, let me know. So, where were we? We were cleaning up the other side, ready for the spot welding. A bit tight to get in there, I think. I could do it maybe, but what I want to do is I'm going to roll it over and do it, because I can then get to clean the underside quite well. And then we can see what's next to be on the to-do list. So yeah, let's roll it over. Okay, with a lot of faffing around, I'll turn that upside down. So, clean this edge up, push it as far as we can, get it nice, get some clamps on it, and try getting the old spot weld on it. Might just get some air in there because it seems like some dust's fallen in, which is not a surprise. And yeah, let's see if we can get some spot welds on a few things. Okay, that's all along the sill done. As good as I'm going to get it. Oh, pardon me, rats. So yeah, looking good. Still got to finish off this edge now. And then we've got a spot weld along the door frame. We'll roll that over a bit more to get at that. So what's the time? Alright, let's just do a bit of welding on this. Let's see if we can cut some strip and just neaten this up a bit, make it look a bit better. Okay, just cut a bit just to form the strip. I'm not going to go around the edge, I'm just going to put a bit of MIG weld down the end there and just grind it off. And just need a little bit more, which I should have just done in one bit, but I'm just being silly, and it's just me. So yeah, we'll get that tacked on, welded on. I've used my little hole punch thing again, air punch. We'll just grab my helmet so I don't get any dislikes for not using a helmet. Oh shit, bust my helmet. And yeah, let's get some weld on this. Welder! Drag it along. Aaron, you're still watching this. You told me you were going to make a little trolley for my welder. And you never did, bud. You never did. Alright, not the prettiest. I say that a lot, don't I? Not the prettiest. Just get a bit of extra prime on it, because you know I love extra primer. One day, Auto Tech Professional might sponsor me. Although that hasn't worked with drinking Stella yet. But, yeah. I did actually try and contact Stella, but they weren't really interested in some man drinking beer while using power tools. But yeah, if you want to send everyone a Facebook message to Stella UK, see if we can get me some free beer. That'd be handy. Won't go amiss. So anyway, just a bit of extra prime on the spot welds just to stop it getting a bit damp in the night. So yeah, you know, I don't build concourse. I guess you guys know that already. I'm just trying to build a fairly solid Mk1, which can be enjoyed for a few more years by some new owner, hopefully. I will keep some of mine as well though, but this one's just, I'm fostering this one. Yeah, I'm just fostering it. Get it back on the road, let somebody else finish it all off completely, all the polishing and everything. So, but anyway, so that's good. So we've done that. We're gonna have to call it a night now, as always. So we'll just turn my weld off and turn my gas off. Honestly, it is cleaner in here. Okay, not much, but it is cleaner. So yeah. Next is we roll it over, get some spot welds along the door frame, and then we can start working on the front area here. So yeah, this is the main next area. Inner A panel, inner wing, all repaired. A panel fitted with front end. So I'm pondering of whether doing it upside down like this, just because it's going to be easier for me to get access. I could do with rolling the car over really. I'll tell you what, I was going to call it a night, but I've just seen this triangle hole up here, and that's just begging for me to fill it in before we go to bed. So let's just do that. Go on! Alright, honestly that's it. They may look like there's a couple of holes in that, but that's just an optical illusion, honestly. So yeah. Alright, definitely time to go in now. And we'll see everyone tomorrow. So, what is tomorrow? What day is it? So yeah, don't know what we've got for tea. A bit lost track this night. So yeah, told you that. I had pasta yesterday. Pasta Tuesday, can't beat it. Alright, anyway, stop me waffling. Oh, the damn rats. Alright, see you guys. Bye.